to my channel. So I was literally just about to cut my hair and I thought I would turn on the camera and give you guys a little tutorial on how I cut my own hair at home. This is going to be a very short video and it's literally just going to be the most simplest tutorial. All you're going to need is hair cutting scissors. I have cut my hair with literally regular scissors before, so it's not a big deal if you don't have these. I've been cutting my hair ever since COVID. As soon as all of those salons shut down, I need to figure out how I was gonna cut my own hair, and I also have had really bad experiences at salons where they will cut way too much hair or they'll give me a haircut that I never asked for. So I just thought I would put it into my own hands, and I figured out this new way that literally turns my hair perfect and it gives you the perfect trim. So let's get to it and start with the tutorial. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your hair is in a middle part. You're going to want to put the line straight down the middle as best as you can. And then we are going to brush the hair. So now that your hair is all brushed, you're going to also want to put your hair into two parts on either side of your face. And I will just take this entire part, kind of run my hand down, and then cut the straightest line possible in my hair. So we're gonna start slow. We're not gonna just cut to the length that we want right away, just in case we make mistakes. So I'm gonna start off with about 1 inch. So this is what you want the line to look like. You want your hair to be as straight as possible. So we're gonna just keep doing that to our desired length. Once you're happy with your length, we're going to move on to the other side and make sure the other side matches the length. So again, we're going to go slow and we are going to go inch by inch. Make sure that the line is super straight. So to check the length to make sure that it's the same, you want to take your fingers and just run it down 2 strands on either side and make sure that you let go of the hair at the same time. So this one is clearly a lot longer still, so we're going to cut a little bit more to match the other side. I'm going to run my fingers down one more time and I let go of the hair at the same time. Okay, so now that the length is all good, we are going to now soften the edges so it doesn't look so blunt. So we're gonna take our hair, go to the end and just cut downwards really, really lightly. And this will make sure that your hair does not look like such a blunt, straight cut at the ends. Okay, and once you're happy with it, we are all done with the length, and now we are going to move on to the bangs. So the bangs are a little bit more tricky, but it's all about confidence. You just kind of gotta go for it. So you're gonna take your bang, which is probably about 1 inch, 1 to 2 inches from your forehead down into your hair. And I'm gonna start right at the middle of my ear and I'm going to cut downwards. As you're cutting downwards, you also want to use more of the inside part of the scissors, so that way it doesn't snip off too much and it's more of a gradual cut. And you're just gonna keep repeating that process, but what happens is you get this really, really pretty diagonal line, and you're just gonna keep going until you are happy with the line. And there you go, you're left with a super soft diagonal line. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm right-handed, so it is a little bit awkward, but what I like to do is I kind of like to go above and over and just kind of go downwards and cut like that. So now we're gonna take a look at both of the bangs and see if there's any side that's longer. So this side is clearly a little bit too long, so I'm gonna trim a little bit more on this side. And I'm just like constantly checking to see if the lengths are equal. But once you like the look of your bangs, then you're done. And now we are left with this really pretty simple cut. And then from the back, you should have a really, really pretty soft V. I love how simple and pretty this haircut looks. It's so easy to do. Once you get good, it will take you 5 minutes. I will do this haircut every 2 or 3 months. This is the first time that I've done it this short because I just really wanted to see how it would look on me, but I absolutely love it. I will list down all of the tools that I used in the description box below, but hopefully you found this helpful. If you want to cut your hair at home, let me know in the comments below if you tried it out and you got good results. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat. It's at Stephanie On, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!